Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, one of my favourite plugins, Divi Supreme, have got another free layout demo for you today. And I'll put this link below the video. You can use this demo with the light version, which is free, of Divi Supreme. And we just look down here, halfway down the page. There's a little download layout button. Hit the download layout. I'm using Google Chrome, so it's going to download it to my browser here. If you're using a different browser, it'll just download to your default location. Once we've got it downloaded, this is what you get. It's just two nice little layouts here with some of that gradient text in there. Gradient text is wonderful. If we just create another row perhaps, and I'll put a new module in there. Here are all the ones that you get with the Pro version of Supreme that I've got installed here. If we go and find the gradient text, there it is. And put in whatever headline or whatever it is you want to put in there. As you can see, it's right here. What I'll do is I'll go to the design straight away, to the text here. I'm going to align mine in the middle. And I'm going to go into the title text and I'll just change the font. Divi by default has got a ridiculous amount of fonts. I'll use one that I've used before called Anton right here. All these fonts that you've got down here, if you just hover over them, Divi will show you an example of that script there. I'm going to change mine to Anton. I want to make it bold. I think I'll make it uppercase. And an awful lot bigger. There we go. And now comes the fun part. If we go back to our content, you can add a little gradient. You can color background if you want to. Gradient background, they've got one already on here. I'm going to add a background image. Let's use this one. As you can see, that image is now behind that picture, which is great. Of course, you can position it where the color is going to be best for you. It's top center at the minute. Let's put it just regular center. There we go. And that really does stand out. That's a wonderful feature of the gradient text. But for this actual layout itself, once you've downloaded it, if you need to know how to install it, here's the downloaded file. It downloads it as a zip file. You can simply extract it and it'll give you a JSON file, which is the one that we want. If you go to your layouts, anybody who doesn't know, that's down to your dashboard, down to Divi, and there it is, Divi library right there. Hit the import and export button. Obviously we'll want to import it. Now you can hit this and browse to the file if you want to, but I'm simply going to drag mine up here, drop it in there, left click, drag it, release. When you're happy, import. And there it is in our library. And to use it, just go to a new page. Obviously we want to use the Divi builder. And I'm going to go ahead and choose a pre-made layout as it's in our library. Your saved layouts. And let's have a look. As you see, I've got a lot of stuff in my library already. And we're looking for the gradient. There it is. And there we are, it's loaded this page for us. And if you wanted to use their two examples, just simply save them to your own library. A little round icon here. Give it a name that makes sense to you. Then you can either go to a new page or go to an existing page. And as it's in our library, I want to add from the library. There it is, GR1. And there we go, we've got it in your page. You can go in there, change whatever you want. Very simple to do. So there it is, another little free layout from Divi Supreme. And like I say, you don't need to have the Pro version for this today. This will work with the Lite version. Great addition to any site. So I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.